Add eggs to cold water, bring to a boil, then turn off the heat and put to one side for 15 minutes. For the bacon breadcrumbs, add bacon bits to a pan and cook until crispy. Add breadcrumbs and cook until golden brown. Add a little olive oil to help them along. At the end, add some delicious Asiago cheese. It's nutty and creamy and goes fantastic with my breadcrumbs. Transfer to a bowl and put to one side. After 15 minutes, add cold water to the eggs and leave for 5 minutes to cool. Slice the eggs in half and remove the yolk to a bowl. Now break down the yolk with a fork. Add mustard, ancho chili. This adds a sweet smoky flavour to the filling. Add vinegar and mayo. Mix well and season to taste. Next, spread the filling into the egg whites. Add cooking spray to a hot pan and carefully add the eggs. Now cook the eggs until golden brown.